AI comes to Zoom. Who would have thought that was going to happen? Who thought it would not? Now, there's a couple of things that you have to learn. Number one, AI only comes to Zoom if you have a paid account, unless you're joining a meeting for someone who used a pay account and they have that feature turned on. But for those of us who have a Zoom account, the free one won't have Zoom, at least not now. If you have a paid account, then you can turn on the AI features, and you'll know they're turned on because you can see it down here in the tray. It says AI Companion, and it also has a summary, which is one of the big features that's part of AI. It will create summaries of everything that happens within the meeting. You can turn this on at the start of the meeting, or you can turn this on at any point within the meeting. But there's a trick to this. If you start a personal meeting, the AI Companion icon isn't there. It only appears if you join a scheduled meeting. So for me to do this and create this video, I had to schedule a meeting and then join it. And then the AI Companion shows up. The summary portion will be there even when you create a personal meeting. For those of you that have a paid account, you know what I'm talking about. There are some tricks in setting this up so that the AI Companion will actually work. So let's dig a little deeper into the easiest way to activate the AI Companion. And you need to do that through the settings and not just the basic settings. So let's open up the settings. And the easiest way to get to it if you're within a meeting is to select the meeting information. And from in here, go to settings, click on general, and then go down to the bottom where it says view more settings. When you select that, it will open up your browser. We can close this part right now because we don't need it anymore. I need to sign into the account on the internet. And of course, I have two-factor authentication turned on. So let's get this part out of the way. I don't mind sharing that code because the code is not going to be the same the next time I need to verify it. So copying it will do nobody any good. Once that's done, the easiest way to get to the settings that you need to turn on what needs to be on for AI to be active is to use the search function. So just type AI into that search function. And as soon as you do that, it opens up all the items that are needed in order for AI to work. As you can see, I have mine turned on. When you first do this, this will not be turned on. You'll have to turn it on. And until you turn this on, the AI function will not be a part of your meetings. So turn these functions on. That's all it takes. And once that's done, you now have AI as part of the meetings. Hope that helps. Hope that makes your life on Zoom a little bit easier. I'm sure there'll be more videos that go deeper into the functions that happen within AI and what's available because of AI. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps.